So I'm using medium acrylic yarn and a 6mm crochet hook, slightly larger hook than the required. I'm gonna show you first how to make the triangle, and then I'm gonna show you how to make the half triangle for the sides of the blankets. So you can either watch this video for the triangle, or I've got a different one on how to make a triangle generally. I will put the link in the description box for that one. Also, I have another video how to make the triangle from top to bottom, means from the larger side to the thinner side. So we'll start with a magic loop and then chain 2 single crochet in the first chain, chain 1 and turn. So what I'm gonna do now, it's gonna be for the rest of the work throughout. So 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and again chain 1 and turn, 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitches, and we keep repeating the same until I get 40 rows. So if you get confused in counting the rows, you can count the last stitches of the last row. If you have 40 stitches, means that's it. So again, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitches, and that's how we continue working to make the triangles. So 10 triangles for each color: the yellow, the taupe, and the berry or burgundy. So next I'm gonna show you how to make half triangle to close the sides of the blanket. Just stay tuned, and it's as easy as this one. So here we're making the half triangle. I'm gonna start with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 2 single crochet in the first stitch, chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next one, chain 1, 1 single crochet in every stitch only, chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch, chain 1, 1 single crochet in every stitch, chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch. So basically what we're doing here, one row I'll have the increase, and one row it's a normal single crochet, and the increase is always on one side on the inclined side. So one row normal single crochet, one row increase, so you have one straight line and one inclined line till row 40. You follow the same till the end of the work. So now I organize the colors. This is how I'm gonna stitch everything, and I still have to make one more orange. Yes, and I will make the half triangles like I showed you. So for the stitching, I'm gonna start from the side here. Wait, yes, from the side and going up, all the way up, all on the sides. Then I'll come back and stitch over here in a line together, this way, straight line. So for the straight line, I'm gonna make an invisible stitch because the stitches are clear, is double loop, but on the side you will see the color which I will use, and I'll try to make it as neat as possible. Okay, so total numbers of each triangle: 10 orange, 10 burgundy, and 10 taupe color. So we end up with this result. And for the sides, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 half triangles total, and I'll come back and show you the end result. So this is one of the half triangle completed, and this is how it's gonna be stitched on the side of the orange triangle. You can make different colors if you wish, but I made it the same as the orange one. And I'll continue with the second and third and fourth until I'm done and all the blanket is squared. So I started stitching part of the triangles, and this is how it is. I'm going to explain before I actually show you how I did. So I joined these two initially from this point with a normal stitch. I try to make it as neat as possible. And then on the side I stitch from the inner loop. So here, so it's not visible, it's not very visible later on. Look. And this is how it is. So I start this side going up, joining two always, and like this till the 5th row, and then I come back and join from the side. So it will be a separate thread always for the horizontal and for the vertical. And I chose to use the burgundy color because it looks prettier on both other colors as well. So next I'm going to show you how I did all this. So these are two triangles that I started joining, and I run out of thread in the middle. So the rest of the thread I joined it here, and I'll hide it later on. So I will continue with a new thread of the same color, and then I'll just join. See, here on the sides you'll have like holes from the increase or decrease from the triangle. That's where I'll do the stitches. So I'll join the sewing needle or tapestry needle here, and I'll join it to the other side. Later on, as I said, we'll hide the thread inside the same triangle color, and then I'll go up to the next one and join. We do we do the same for all the triangles, and the same. So before you start joining any two triangles, make sure the last row is made of 40 stitches, so you don't end up with one small triangle and the other one is bigger. So to make sure they're all equal, check the number. And this is the last one before I join the other colors. Don't tighten too much and don't leave it loose. So this is where the next triangle will go, and then just to show you how I'll join, so from my last stitch I will join with the purple one over here, and I'll pass it to the top of the next triangle. So I'll join all three together, and then I'll continue stitching the same way. Of course not with me standing here, but I'll just show you. Same way. You do this for the rest, only one triangle is left, so it will be this way later on. And once I finish those sides, I'll come back and join these sides at the end of the work or as you go along. So this is the finished blanket. I already finished stitching it all, and this is the final look of it. So as a recap, I did 10 triangles of both orange and berry color and 5 of the taupe color, just to add a different a different color. For the half triangles, I made 5 of the berry and 5 of the orange, and the stitching, as I said previously, I did the normal joining stitch, and then I showed you how to make it. So this is how it looks, and all the details will be in the written pattern in the description box. The link will be in the description box. So if you have any questions or any queries, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.